students, today we are going to start with a poem. The name of the poem is A Legend of the Northland. It's written by Phoebe Cary. Giving a brief introduction about the poem, A Legend of the Northland is a ballad. Ballad is a poem narrating a short story in stanzas. It is such kind of poem which tells a story in short stanzas. It comprises of 16 stanzas. This story is of Northland area, which is near the North Pole. Talking about the title, legend means a historical story which is very old and has been passed on from generation to generation. So this is a traditional and popular story. It narrates the legend of how Saint Peter had once cursed an old lady for being mean and stingy. This poem imparts the important lesson that greed always gets punishment. Talking about the author of the poem or the poet is Phoebe Cary. She's an American poetess and she's a younger sister of poetess Alice Cary. These two sisters co-published poem in the year 1849 and then each went on to publish volumes of their own. These sisters occasionally attended school. The sisters were often needed to work at home and so were largely self-educated. Unfortunately, the mother died in 1835 and 2 years afterwards their father married again. Their stepmother was wholly unsympathetic. She was outgoing. So their stepmother, she was not at all kind towards these sisters. Talking about Phoebe Cary, she was outgoing than her sister. She was a champion of the women's right and she became one of the most popular and widely selling pieces of short music. This is all about the poetess Phoebe Cary. Now let us talk about the title to the poem. The title is The Legend of the Northland. It states that the poet is about a legend from the cold weather of Northland. It is a story, as I told you, which is passing on from generation to generation and it is believed to be true even though there is no evidence to establish its truth. So I think the title is appropriate as it introduces the narrative form of the story, which is to impart moral values. From after reading the stanzas, after getting the explanation to this, we will be getting to know in this poem there is a short story which is expressed in the form of poetry. And after reading this poem, what is the message? The poem conveys the message that as human beings, we should have positive qualities like affection, love, sympathy, and a sense of sharing. So the poet brings the idea that people with negative and inhuman values like selfishness, greed, and cruelty, they are ultimately punished. So they will get the reward in the form of punishment at the end. So the message is we have to show the positive qualities only. This is about the introduction, the message, and about the poet.